Hey guys, I said yesterday that when I got home yesterday, it didn't rain at all in my area here. So it's just raining this morning. And I just thought to tell you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. We'll continue again today. So it's actually still raining. I've been trying to record a sit down video since 2 days now. I've just been having a lot of issues with that video. I'm going to start a clip somewhere. I've been struggling to record this video since 2 days now. I was not around yesterday, so I couldn't continue. Where I gave up was they took the lights. I couldn't continue recording the video. Although I had like LED lights, eventually one of the just as I was saying, they just took the lights. I don't know how today is going to be. Good morning again.
I'm always dreaming about you. I'm always dreaming about you.
So guys, I've not done much today, so I've not been recording as much. So it's about 5 p.m. now. I want to cook beans. We love beans in my house. We eat beans a lot, so we love beans. We're eating beans this night, so I want to start preparing beans. It's still right outside. If you cook beans, you know that beans takes a long time to cook, so that's why I'm starting about this time now. So